Applying to get into college can be daunting enough without the words honors in front of it. You've already checked one box off your list by getting into WVU, so it's time we talk about the WVU Honors College. While it may be one of the smaller entities in WVU, the Honors College packs a big punch. To start you on your way, I've put together a little Honors College crash course to touch on some of the key attributes of the college and what you can expect your experience to look like. Consider this your first WVU course, but without the exams. Unlike the various academic colleges, like the Davis College or the Reed College of Media, the Honors College is an interdisciplinary melting pot of all majors and minors on campus. The purpose of the Honors College is to connect ambitious and active students to resources, opportunities, and other students. Resources offered by the Honors College include the Office of Pre-Health, the Office of Undergraduate Research, and the Aspire Office, where honor students can receive expert counseling on topics like graduate school applications, mock interviews, and internationally competitive scholarships. Opportunities presented by the Honors College come in the form of dinners with esteemed alumni, trips off campus, exclusive networking, to name a few things. But arguably the most important, the connecting of like-minded and driven students is facilitated through the Honors College with special dorms only for first-year honor students. Besides just living experiences and career boosts, the Honors College allows for its students to have elevated access to educational and academic material. All honor students are assigned an academic advisor that is associated with both their department and the Honors College. Honor students have priority scheduling so they can have the best selection in their schedules. Lastly, honor students have access to honors courses, which not only count towards your required honors credits, but dive deeper into incredibly diverse topics, like a course on female figures in cinema history or a book club with our very own President Gee. So, you know about the special perks of being an honors college student, but what do you have to do to become one? The short answer is simply to apply. Incoming first-year students can apply to the Honors College Foundation program in one of two ways: test scores or test blind. Test scores are pretty self-explanatory in that you just need to hit a required standardized testing score and fill out some short essay questions. Test blind is our newest evaluation system, in which students who don't meet standardized testing requirements can still apply, just with a few more essay questions. So really, if you're the worst test taker in the world, or you're one of those 100%ers, there's no reason why you can't be in the Honors College. Should you decide that you want to join the Honors College later, after you've spent some time on campus and realized how much you are missing out on, you can still apply for the Honors Excel program your junior year. But more on that another time. The part I saved for last is the part every student is dying to know. Do you have to take extra classes to be in the Honors College? The answer is an easy peasy no. You only have to take 13 hours of honors course credits over your 2 years in the foundation program. This is often confused with taking an additional 13 hours, which is not the case. Most of the courses can be covered pretty easily too. All honors students are required to take an honors orientation course. Some common courses like English 103 automatically count for honors credit. There's an honors college only class, and if you really, really want to, you can work with your professors to contract a normal course into an honors course. True, if it were easy, everyone would do it. But the Honors College isn't just for everyone. It's for those who truly want to embody the mountaineer spirit and go first. The Honors College is here to be your catalyst into career experiences and academic advancements, and everything else in between. Besides the great perks, you get special opportunities not offered anywhere else in the university. All you have to do is write some essay questions, which you would have to do to get accepted into college anyway, and take some credit hours, but with a twist, which you would have to do to graduate college anyway. Some of my peers may tell you that there's a bit more, and by a bit more, I mean a lot more, to the Honors College. But for your convenience, and hopefully for your inspiration, this has been your Honors College Crash Course.